Hi friends, so let's do our first problem in Rust. This is the first exercise that we will do in Rust, and this is write a function is even that takes a number as an input and return true if it is even, otherwise false if it is odd. So this is a simple Rust code that we're gonna write together. So let's start. First of all, let's create a main function. After creating a main function, let's create the given function that is given is even function. Write a is even function that question is asking about. So I just created both, and then let's return true if it is true. For this we have to do a boolean like this bool, and then we just have to pass a number like here, print like the number like this is even, and we will pass a number like 89, and then like let's add like 6 7. Okay, and then after this, just start our calculation. If the given number that I have to pass here, number that will be I32, if the number reminder to equal to 0, then return true, otherwise return false. And what the side did, it is right. Let's run cargo run. So the number is false, right? This one for tomorrow today. But wait, let's add a twist. If I want to do the given number is even, the given number is false, rather than true or false, then we should have to do like this. We just have to call is even here and pass the number 6 7. Okay, and then let's change not boolean, and then let's print like even the number is is even, and here let's print like the number is odd with the colon. Let's clear this, and then let's bigger this, and then cargo run, and now you can see the number is odd. If I change like 6, then cargo run, it will be it is even, because 6 is an even number. So thank you so much for watching. Let's stop.